Welcome back to Cooking Explorer. Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make coconut burfi. We just need only two items only. 1 scraped coconut, 2 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, half cup of milk, any kind of essence and coloring. First, add water and sugar and let's make sugar syrup. While sugar syrup getting thick, you can add few drop of coloring and few drop of any kind of flavor essence and mix it. Now the sugar syrup is ready. Now you can add the coconut. Give it a good mix. Keep mixing. You can see it turns into dry, and this time you can add milk and mix continuously. The dough get thick. Now it's ready. You can transfer into a butter grease tray and spread. You can cut into pieces and let it keep around 30 minutes. Hope you guys enjoy my video today. If you like my video, give a thumb up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell button for more notifications. Thank you.